If you or someone you know was recently arrested for DUI, you may be thinking, now what? There's a little bit of a panic factor going on. Several important things to remember. First is you would need to remember to get your car or the vehicle that you were driving out of storage. Storage and tow fees can mount up quickly, and that's something that you want to move on the very next day, is to get your vehicle out of storage. You also want to think about moving quickly if your license was suspended or if your license was taken from you when you were arrested. You want to go ahead and make sure that you request an administrative hearing so that you can get your license and driving privileges restored. We move very quickly on that at my office for our clients to get you driving again. A third factor would be to remember that if a preliminary hearing is afforded to you, or the right to a preliminary hearing has been afforded to you, there is a 10-day time limit to request that hearing. Fourth, I would say that if an accident was involved, be careful about what you say to somebody in a telephone interview. It is fairly common for an insurance carrier or an insurance company to reach out and try to conduct a phone interview. You want to be very careful about whether or not you have that phone interview, and I would advise somebody not to speak on the telephone until they've retained the services of an attorney regarding the incident. And last, also, you want to make sure that on the blue ticket or summons that you have, that you don't lose that, and that you look at the date of trial. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that's the date of your trial, but that is the date of your initial appearance. And you want to go ahead and get an attorney lined up well in advance of that date, because you will be tried in your absence if you don't have something in place.